Today we're going to unbox the 2.2 kilowatt spindle that I purchased through Build Your CNC. Yeah, we're just gonna unbox it, see what's all in there, and just take a look at the quality of it. So this is all the hydraulic line that will be feeding the CNC, and since my shop is not very warm in the winter, I live where it's very cold in the winter, I'm going to be running just straight antifreeze. So right off the bat, it's a pretty big spindle, at least compared to the ones that I've had. I would say it weighs anywhere from 10 to 15 pounds. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. But yep, there's where the power goes in. Those will be where these lines go in. That's cool. Alright. So yeah, this right here is the main reason I decided to go with this kind of spindle. I didn't want to have a big bucket of coolant underneath the CNC. So yeah, I figured I would just go with a closed loop system. Heard a lot of good things about them, especially with this company. So but yeah, this right here, that's the radiator, which cools the coolant. Now I want to say, yeah, this is the pump, and that would be, I'm assuming, the reservoir. Yep. So this is your main, I believe your main reservoir, where all your liquid, or where majority of your liquid will be. And then this on the top here, that would be the pump. So these are just a couple different collet sizes. Got 8-inch, quarter, 3/8, and half. So I'm assuming this is the power source for right here. That would be the power source. So that right there looks good. Yep, anyway, so this is a nicely packed VFD. This is what controls the spindle. On here, you know, you can control the RPMs and, you know, a bunch of other things. And a really nice thing that they did is they already wired the power supply, got it spliced, or not spliced, but soldered in there, all nice and neat. So yeah, I really like that. One less step that I have to do. So yeah, definitely a plus. But yeah, as a whole, I would say everything looks intact, and yeah, I guess we'll know more once we get it up and running.